Guys, this is my logo. If you want a tutorial, then let me know in the comments. And it's a very unique and simple logo. I made some changes, and this is the logo posted on freelancer.com. So I think I should made it now. I'm going to show you. I'm going to just go to freelancer.com.pk, and this is the logo. I should post a contest on this, and this is my previous logo, and I made some changes and make this logo, and I posted on mockup as well, you can see. And if you want a tutorial of if you want a link of this mockup, then do comment me. I'll give a link in the description box or comment section, so you can guys check out and easily download it with the selected link. And basically this is the title I made. This is the best minimal logos, and the client's description is I'm in need of two modern combination style logos in text and symbol that primarily convey trustworthiness. And मतलब इसको जो है वो टेक्स्ट और सिंबल दोनों में लोगो चाहिए, दो स्टाइल का, और जो ट्रस्टवर्दीनेस शो कर रहा हो, ये सब है इसके अंदर. So kindly guys visit this site and post it contest, and you will get reward. You'll just you have to you need to just earn money on the website. It's totally 100% legit, and all the freelance, like, see the clients reviews as well. And it's a totally trustworthy site. And my instructor just um, said me all this about the site, and he just earned very good amount of this site. So uh, it takes a lot of time to earn money on this, and but hard work can lead to any destination. So if you want to work on logos, and your logos are very inspiring or creative, then you can post on freelancer.com contest, and you will win, and you will get reward. You will get dollar or you will get pound. So if you want a very detailed video on how I posted my logos on freelancer.com on contest, then do comment me and follow me on Behance as well. And all the logos are others, and it's a very minimal logos. Let me show you this. And now I'm going to post Behance it as well, and I'm going to show you about my all work on Behance. So guys, this is my work. And if you want to make portfolio, then you can visit the sites and post all your work, and give the Behance link to your client or your company. And it's very it's all my logos. I just post it daily about, and this is my best portfolio, and I made all of this stuff. So if you want to know how I just post my projects or logos on Behance, so comment me, and do share and subscribe as well. Thank you guys for watching.